When you are using a wax pencil to extend the line, create short movements while stretching the skin with your fingers to get a clean shape. When the client is looking up, you can compare the angle and the length of the wing. As you can see, the client's left side is slightly lower and longer. Adjust the angle and length as necessary using a micro Q-tip. Use a clean gauze that is slightly moist with distilled water and place it right on the lower lash line and hold it firmly before you let go of the other hand. Then use the end piece to cover the eye. Once you are ready, slowly touch the skin as you whip the machine. Make sure you're using only the tip of the needle when it hits the skin. When you stretch the skin well, the pigment goes in immediately.